Gonna get a little smoky in your house, so make sure you got your fan on. Can I turn my fan on? Got a cool little fan. We'll show y'all a little something, you know what I mean? How we do it in West Adams. Okay. Y'all see that? Hello, I'm Chef E-Dubble. You might have seen me on absolutely nothing. I'm a private chef. I have a catering company. We go to the people. People use that celebrity word, but I'm the people's chef. Today we're making braised cabbage and shrimp stuffed egg rolls, and we're gonna make a smoked bacon egg roll as well. The flavor profile that this recipe puts out, man, it's amazing. We start, we're gonna just shred up some cabbage. And there's no reason to have an enormously big knife, but it's just what I like to use. The thinner you slice it, the easier it is for it to get that nice sear on it when we get it in the pan, get that braise on it. That was 1/4 of the head. Herbs are the secret ingredient. I said it. Pulling off some thyme leaves, because this is my favorite ingredient. I love thyme, I love garlic. Break down the garlic. Ah, yeah. Just put them under your knife, pressure on it, break them down. I'm sure everybody knows how to do that. And if you don't, now you know. We have our garlic, our thyme leaves, our cabbage. All right, so we're gonna prep out our smoked bacon, which came from our local butcher shop. For my bacon eaters, if you don't eat bacon, just ignore what I just said. Probably about 1/4 inch lardons. Slice them up, 1/2 cup. And it's just an ingredient we're actually gonna use to stuff the egg rolls with. Let's get this cabbage going. You ready? It's gonna go real quick. Smoking hot, like the fire's been on it for about 7 minutes on high. I'm gonna add in just some vegetable oil, maybe about a tablespoon. Add in our cabbage. It's gonna get a little smoky in your house, so make sure you got your fan on. When you hear it talking to you, that's what you want it to do. We added in our garlic, we added in our fresh thyme. I'm gonna add a little chili flake in there. This right here is one of the secrets to the dish. 2 pinches. If I have to tell you what's in it, put 2 pinches in, or pretty much do whatever you want. A little salt to taste. Same thing with the pepper. The pepper gives it another extra kick. Man, that braised cabbage will set it off. Has a nice spice to it. That smell from the cabbage, that chili flake and that garlic, people love this cabbage. It's in there working. While we got that going, I'm gonna get this bacon going. It's almost ready. I kind of know because I can see the ends of it kind of charring. Once you toss it, what you're doing is you're incorporating all those flavors, so. Let it talk to you, give it a flip, and then you can already see that nice braise, that nice sear. That was probably down for about 3.5 minutes, high heat. They could go a la carte out at a party, for dinner, for lunch. It's also good if, reheat it and, as a snack. And that's, believe it or not, man, that's the braised cabbage. Oh, yeah. Talk to me, cabbage. Hello, Mr. Smoked Bacon. Yes, you smell good. Yes, you do. Bacon is rendering down. It's looking good. Let's get our shrimp in there. About 2 cups. Let's get a nice season on it. Fresh thyme, little sprinkle of chili flakes, salt, pepper. With our smoked bacon, we're gonna add a few pinches of brown sugar. That sugar is gonna cook, it's gonna caramelize. So you don't want it to burn, you wanna get it in there. And I just had an idea. So we're gonna run with it. What we got? A little cognac, a little Courvoisier. We improvising, y'all, we shooting from the hip. Yeah. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Ooh, don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Just cooking that alcohol content out. We set the alarm off. The shrimp been cooking maybe about 10, 12 minutes, We're gonna cook them again when they drop into the fryer. Cook them all the way through, but you don't want to overcook them. Wow. Smells good between that brown sugar That cognac, just on a low. I don't want to burn it. I don't want it to dry out too quick, to caramelize too much, so it's on low. All right, we're gonna roll these egg rolls. We got our braised cabbage. Got our shrimp ready. Just a rough chop on it. You don't want it too big. Nobody wants to chew on a great big old piece of shrimp inside of an egg roll. All right, so the key to this is, there is no key to this. This is really easy. If I can do it, you guys can do it. These are egg roll wraps. You can find these in your grocery store. You wanna get a little bit of water. You can use egg wash. I use water, super easy to seal them. Let me grab our bacon out. I'm gonna grab a little bit of cabbage, say 2 pinches. We're gonna add a little bit of our shrimp. Let's add our bacon. Bacon makes me excited, sorry. The beauty of this dish is there's so many different things you can do with it. You wanna drop, grilled chicken or baked chicken or broiled chicken. You wanna put pork in it. You wanna put sausage in it. Grab the backside, flip it over, you roll them. Fold our sides over and roll. There we go. The tighter the better, that way when it expands. And then just that nice little corner, you just wanna hit that corner with some water. So we're gonna make a dipping sauce. The dipping sauce is usually what makes the dish. This sauce I came up with not too long ago. I named it Makes Everything Taste Better sauce. 1 can Chipotle chilies in a food processor or a mixer. Break down some cloves. Garlic doesn't get its due. This is about 2 cups of honey. It's honey and garlic and Chipotle chilies in it. Of course it's gonna make everything taste better. Right on. Pinch of pepper, pinch of salt. Good to go. Oh yeah, our sauce is ready. All right, our oil's there. Gentlemen, we're gonna take our egg rolls. Ready? We're gonna drop them right in. And when you drop it in and the oil is extremely hot, the first thing you probably want to do is give it just a little shake. Sometimes it'll stick to the bottom of the basket or even in the bottom of the pan. Most people cook these right in on the stovetop in the pan, so. I like them right about there. That's like golden brown. And they're hot. Oh yeah. Cut the ends off. Gonna hit it on the bias. Nice little angle. Now they stand on their own, guys. Now you look like you're doing something. You're welcome. Plating is that's my favorite part. After you put everything together, it's just like art class. So we'll get a little bit right on there. And we're gonna drop some fresh thyme, give us some green, a little salt and pepper to taste, and that's it. You're not gonna take my word from it. Daniel, come over here, please. Come. This is the shrimp. Let's go ahead. Now tell the truth. Don't play around. You're on that. You're talking to the world.
It's delicious.
Amazing, y'all. Have fun with it. I have fun with it. Real simple, real easy. If I can do it, you can do it at home.